Hello everyone, welcome back to Konnur English Medium online classes. Dear students, last class we were discussing about the state latitudinal position and longitudinal position of Karnataka, the size of Karnataka and the neighboring states of our Karnataka. Today we are going to discuss the physical divisions of Karnataka. Karnataka has diverse physical features, means varied relief features geographically we can see in Karnataka. The southern part of Karnataka consists undulating physiography, undulating nothing but having a wavy surface. The northern part is vast plain. Land slopes slightly towards the eastern part of Karnataka, and Karnataka has a steepy towards the western part. This is how geographically Karnataka is formed, and it is about 405 to 900 meters above sea level. In some other areas we can see 450 meters. And in some other areas, Karnataka has so much height. The altitude of Karnataka is up to 900 meters. In some other areas, it is about 1,800 meters above sea level. So there are number of hill stations out there in Karnataka. Let us study which are the important physical divisions of Karnataka one by one. We are going to discuss in today's class. Among those, the first one is the coastal plain. Number one, the coastal plain. The coastal plain is located whenever you are marking in annual examination or an examination, you don't mark the followings like this. The coastal plain or the Malnad region or Maidan regions are there. You don't use only one point. No, this coastal area extends from Karwar to up to Mangalore. So this is coastal plain. This is the first physical division of Karnataka, the coastal plain. This is coastal plain. The coastal plain. The coastal plain. This area is the coastal plain. Here, west side, the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, west side Arabian Sea, and eastern side, this side the Malnad region. This side Malnad region we can see, and this part is the coastal plain. Coastal plain, the area which is attached to water body or sea. That is coastal area. This area is located between the Malnad region, eastern side, here is Malnad region, and western side, here the Arabian Sea. In between this coastal area we can see. This coastal area extends from Mangalore in the south, here is Mangalore, and in northern side Karwar. It is about 320 kilometers. The total length of Karnataka in southern side, Mangaluru, here it is Mangaluru, and this is Karwar. So from Mangaluru to Karwar, it is about 320 kilometers. Its width varies from one place to another one place. In some other areas, very narrow area, it is about 12 kilometers, and some other areas which has a wide area, it is about minimum is 12 kilometers and maximum is 64 kilometers. So some other areas we can see narrow and some other coastal areas we can see broad. It is about 12 to 64 kilometers. It is broad in the south and narrow in the north. North side it is narrow and in south side it is broader. It is broader, this coastal plain. Its height is more than 200 meters above sea level. That area is called Kannur or the Karnataka coastline. Here the rivers are formed estuaries. Here no deltas are there in this area. The new Mangalore port is the major port. Bhatkar, Malpe, Karwar, Kumta, Bedekere, Konnur, these are the fishing port. Fishing is the main occupation of this coastal plain. It means most of the people depend upon fishing in this coastal area. Here Ullal and Someshwar beaches near Mangaluru, Malpe near Udupi, Karwar in north, Murdeshwar near Konnur, Maravante and Om beach near Gokarna, St. Mary's Island near Malpe. St. Mary's Island is also called Coconut Island. Anjana near Karwar, these are the major beaches of Karnataka. Apart from this, Devgarh, Kanchigudda islands are notable. These islands, these beaches attracted the tourist. Fishing is the main occupation next to agriculture. In this coastal area, fishing is the main occupation next to agriculture. But in some other areas, agriculture is the main occupation. So here fishing is the main occupation. The important crops which are grown in coastal plain are cashew, coconut, areca nut, cardamom and paddy. Cashew, coconut, areca nut, cardamom and paddy are the major crops of coastal plain. The districts of coastal plain are Dakshina Kannada, Udupi and Uttara Kannada. Dakshina Kannada, Uttara Kannada and Udupi are the three districts which are located. That area is shared with this coastal plain. This is what we have discussed about the coastal plain of Karnataka. The next one is the Malnad region. The Malnad region. The Malnad region. The Malnad region is this. This is Malnad region. This is Malnad region. The Malnad region is located between, this is coastal plain and here is Maidan region. This is all Maidan region. In this Maidan region we can see two parts. One is southern Maidan and another one is northern Maidan. So this Malnad region is located between Maidan region, this is Maidan region and coastal plain. In between this Malnad region is located. It referred as the land of hills also. Those hills are called Sahyadris. It is parallel to the coastline from north to south. This Malnad region is parallel from north to south. They have a steep terrace like slopes in the west and gentle slopes to the east. Hence they are called Ghats. Here there are Ghats are there, western Ghats. So these western Ghats are gentle in east side and steep terrace like in western side. Western side these Ghats have more height. Eastern side these Ghats are sloping. Hence they are called Ghats. It is about 650 kilometers length. The total Malnad region area's length is about 650 kilometers and 50 to 76 kilometers width of this Malnad region. Here there are height ranges about 900 to 1500 meters height. These Ghats will obstruct the rain bearing winds. The southwest monsoon winds will pass through this. These southwest monsoon winds will be obstructed by the Malnad region. Why? Because height above sea level. In some other side, its height is about 1500 meters. These obstruct the rain bearing winds. So that is why here every year more than 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall we can see in these western and eastern, in the western Ghats. Here there are number of peaks are there. Among those important peaks are Mullayanagiri, Kudremukha, Kalhatgiri, Rudragiri and Devarayanagudda. These are all in Chikkamangaluru district. Mullayanagiri is the highest peak in the state. Mullayanagiri is the highest peak. This Mullayanagiri's height is 1913 meters height. 1913 meters. So that is why in Karnataka, Mullayanagiri is the highest peak of Karnataka. This is what we have discussed today. That is the important physical divisions. The coastal plain, the Malnad region are the two, and another one, that is the Maidan region, will be continued next episode.